सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे पूर्व प्राथमिक, प्राथमिक, माध्यमिक व उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय कळंबोली मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्रजी, उर्दू माध्यम यांच्या सौजन्याने शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Good morning, students. We have already seen the topics. Maths first lesson we have completed, mathematical logic. Now we are going to see the lesson chapter 2, matrices. Myself Mutlakshmi Jaisuraj. I am going to start the lesson matrices, paper 1, second lesson. Okay. What are the topics in this chapter we are going to learn? What are the topics? See here, the first exercise 2.1, elementary transformations of matrices. 2.2, inverse of a matrix, and 2.2 there are two subtopics, elementary transformation method. What are the methods we are going to use? And the second one is adjoint method, how to apply adjoint method in the matrices. The last topic of matrices is 2.3, application of matrices, solution of a system of linear equation. If the linear equation is given, how to solve using matrices. There are two subtitles, they are method of inversion and method of reduction. We are going to see these topics in this lesson, matrices. Okay. First, what is the definition of a matrices? What is the definition of matrix? ठीक है, मैट्रिक्स मतलब क्या है? सी द डेफिनेशन, एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ नंबर्स. नंबर्स को हमने अरेंज करके रखा. अरेंज मतलब इधर उधर ऐसा नहीं डालने का. वी शुड अरेंज इन अ प्रॉपर वे in the form of m rows. How many rows? m. We can put कितना भी rows हम लोग अप्लाई कर सकता है. m is a variable and n columns enclosed in a rectangular bracket. It is all arranged in a bracket. Rectangular bracket is called a matrix, and the order is given by rows and columns. What are the rows and columns? m by n, and it is denoted by m cross n, and it is denoted by 1 minute, and it is denoted by m cross n. We should show the order as m cross n. M denotes the rows and n denotes the columns. Next, there is a note given. What is the note? Matrices are generally denoted by capital letters. Matrices को हमने कौन से letters use करने का? Capital letters. Capital A to कौन सा भी alphabet use करो. And its elements. Matrix के अंदर जो भी elements है, A, B, C, D. Here I have given the example of a 2 cross 2 matrix. How many rows are there? 1 and 2. 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. What are the elements inside the matrix is given? Small letters में दिया है. What are the elements inside the matrix? It is given in small letters. So we have to use small letters for the elements, and the matrix should be represented in capital letters. Capital letters. So please ध्यान रखने का इसमें, we should use the capital letters here and the small letters inside the rectangular bracket. Next one type of matrix is given, square matrix. What is a square matrix? If the matrix having same number of rows and columns, then it is called as a square matrix. See the definition. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to the number of columns is called a square matrix. Then the orders, if the rows is m, then the columns also m. If the rows is 2, then the columns also 2. If the rows are 3, then the columns are also 3. This is the square matrix. And what will be the rectangular matrix? Rectangular matrix, opposite of square matrix. The rows and columns are not equal, then the matrix is called a rectangular matrix. Is it clear? If the rows and the columns are equal, then the matrix is called as a square matrix. If it is not equal, then the matrix is called as a rectangular matrix. There are some types of matrices is given. First two types we have seen. One is square matrix, second one is rectangular matrix, the next one is row. Here the example is given. See here, how many rows are given here? Only one row is given. Here, only one single row is given. That is the row matrix. If we are having only one row, then the matrix is called as row matrix. Here see the next one, column matrix, vector matrix. What are the names given? Column or vector matrix. How many columns are there? See here, only one column. Don't see the rows. Here the rows are 1, 2, 3. We don't need to see the rows. We have only one column, then the matrix is called as column matrix or vector matrix. See the next one, zero matrix or null matrix. Zero or null. Zero or null means both are same, zero. The matrix should be filled completely with zero. Then it is called as a zero matrix or null matrix. Diagonal matrix. See here, diagonal. Diagonal किसको बोलेंगे हमने? अभी this is a square. Then this is the diagonal of the square. See the matrix. It is a rectangular matrix. What is the diagonal here? This is the diagonal. The diagonals are filled with elements A, B and C. The remaining elements are filled with zeros. The remaining elements are filled with zeros. Then the matrix is called as a diagonal matrix. Okay. Scalar matrix. What is the scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is same as the diagonal matrix. One simple change here. The diagonal should have the same number. ये दिया देखो. Here also ये, here also ये, here also ये. It should have the similar elements. Similar elements. If it is 3, then here also 3, here also 3. Same number should be there. That is called as scalar matrix. The next one, unit matrix. If the diagonal is filled with 1, if the diagonal is filled with 1, then the matrix is called as unit matrix. Unit matrix. See here, there are two types. Triangular matrix, we are having two types. First one is upper triangular matrix. Second one is lower triangular matrix. Upper, see the word upper. Upper triangular, the diagonal के ऊपर का जो भी है वैल्यूज होना चाहिए. अपर, ध्यान रखो, अपर मतलब डायगोनल के नीचे पूरा जीरो, डायगोनल के ऊपर इट शुड बी फिल्ड विथ वैल्यूज. इट शुड बी फिल्ड विथ वैल्यूज. नहीं तो आप लोग अपोजिट भी याद रखने के लिए इजी है. अपर है तो डायगोनल के नीचे जीरो, लोअर है तो डायगोनल के ऊपर जीरो. इज इट क्लियर? इफ below the diagonal the numbers filled are 0, then the matrix is called as upper triangular matrix. If the above the diagonal the numbers filled with zeros, then it is called as lower triangular matrix. Okay. Okay. Now see the heading. This is the chapter heading. First one, 2.1, elementary transformation. Now we have seen what is a matrix, what are the types of matrices, and for matrix while we solving we have to apply some basic conditions. ठीक है, some basic conditions हम लोग यूज करेंगे. उसमें rows के लिए 3 है and columns के लिए 3. ठीक है, total 6 operations are used. How many operations are used? 6 operations. 3 for rows and 3 for columns are used. What are the rules? For first one, see here, interchanging of 2 rows. In a matrix, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, we can interchange any 2 rows. Interchange rows. What are the rows here? Row 1 and row 2. रो 2 को हमने रो 1 के जगह पे लिख सकता है, रो 1 को रो 2 के जगह पे लिख सकता है. इंटरचेंज, उसके जगह को चेंज करके हम लिख सकता है. सपोज वी आर अप्लाइंग दिस कंडीशन रो 1 इंटू रो 2, देन row 2 comes to the first row and row 1 comes to the second row. This will be the answer. 1 2 3 4 will becomes 3 4 1 2. Is it clear? The same way we can apply in columns also. Interchanging of any two columns. Any two column हम लोग change कर सकता है. Same example I have given. What are the columns here? This is the first column. This is the second column. Column ऐसा है. Column is vertical. C1 interchanging into C2. Then second column we are having 2 and 4. It comes to the first column. And first column 1 and 3 it comes to the second column. This is interchanging rows and interchanging columns. Next type, multiplication of all elements of any row by a non-zero scalar. Scalar means that is a number. We can multiply any row by a scalar number. Okay? Let the scalar be k. See here some example. I want to multiply the row 1 by a number 2. I want to multiply the row 1 by a number 2. So we have to multiply by 2. Row 1 जो numbers है 1 and 2 given. We have to multiply by 2. 2 से multiply करो 2 into 1, 2 into 2. It becomes 2, 4, 3, 4. Now the matrix becomes 2, 4, 3, 4 हो गया. ठीक है? So if we want to multiply, completely multiply the row by the scalar. The same way we can apply in the column also. Multiplication of all elements. जो वो कॉलम में जो भी एलिमेंट्स है सबको मल्टीप्लाई करने का बाय ए नॉन जीरो. वी हैव टू टेक ए नॉन जीरो नंबर. वी शुडंट टेक जीरो. ठीक है? नॉन जीरो, अदर देन जीरो वी कैन टेक non-zero scalar. The third condition for rows and columns are adding the scalar multiples of all the elements of any row to corresponding elements of any other row. Suppose I have multiplied the first row by 2. It becomes 2, 4, 3, 4. ठीक है? फर्स्ट रो को मैंने क्या किया? 2 से completely multiply किया. Now I have to add the second row with the first row. First row के साथ second row को add करने का. 2 plus second row में element क्या है? 3. So add करो 4 plus इधर element क्या है? 4. So add करो. The row 2 remains the same. So ये column में मैंने conditions क्या क्या apply किया? First I have multiplied the row by 2 and then added with R2. So we can multiply by a scalar and then we can add any other row to that row. Is it clear? The same condition also applied in the column also. Adding the scalar multiples of all the elements of any column to corresponding elements of any other column. It can be represented like this. Ci plus k Cj. See, determinant of a matrix we have studied in the 11th standard. You all remember, I think so. Just we are going in just a glance to that. Okay. The determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. If the matrix is given is 2 cross 2. Order is 2 by 2. ठीक है? A B C D. A B C D. ऐसा एक मैट्रिक्स दिया तो उसका डिटर्मिनेंट कैसा फाइंड आउट करने का? डिटरमिनेंट कैसा फाइंड आउट करना है? जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई a into d, that is ad minus b into c. Cross multiply, you have to cross multiply a into d minus b into c. That is the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix. Next one, determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. If a 3 cross 3 matrix is given, the total elements 9 elements are there. So how to cross multiply? ऐसा ही करेंगे? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करने का. First take the first element a1. a1 निकालो. a1 this row omit करो, this column and rows omit करने का, remaining 4 elements are there, you have to cross multiply. Is it clear? A1 into B2 into C3 minus C2 into B3. See here, A1 B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Not only for the first element, we have to do for the first row completely. ये रो completely हम लोग solve करने का. Here plus, here minus and here plus. Second element minus apply करने का. So minus B1 minus, the elements are sorry, wrong elements are given. Okay, here see the answer. If it is B1, then B1 into minus B1 into what will be the answer? A2 into C3. A2 into C3 minus C2 into A3. That will be the second term. And the third one, C1. Okay, plus C1 into C1. ये कॉलम छोड़ो और ये रो छोड़ने का, ये 4 elements. A2 B3 minus B2 A3. This is the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Is it clear? Next one, singular matrix. We have studied the determinant of a matrix. If the determinant we have found is equal to 0, then it is called as a singular matrix. ठीक है, हमने डिटर्मिनेंट सॉल्व किया तभी क्या मिलना चाहिए? 0 मिलेगा. तो इट इज अ सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स. हियर 1 क्रॉस 2 2 minus 2 cross 1 2 2 minus 2 is 0. Then it is called as the matrix is called as a singular matrix. If it is not equal to 0, some value is value आया. ठीक है. See here another one example. 2 into 1 2 minus 3 into 2, that is 6. 2 minus 6 minus 4. 2 minus 6 we will get minus 4. Then that is not equal to 0. That is not equal to 0. That is called as the non-singular matrix. If it is equal to 0, then it is a singular matrix. If it is not equal to 0, then it is a non-singular matrix. So remember the types of matrices. Okay, now we are going to see the topic transpose. What is a transpose? Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix, the rows are changed into columns. The rows are changed into columns. See here, here a matrix A is given. Example 1 2 3 4. This is an example. How to find out the transpose? How to find out the transpose? What are the rows here? 1 2 is the first row, 3 4 is the next row. Row 1, row 2. The rows should be interchanged into columns. Should be changed into columns. 1 2 को हमने किधर लिखने का? कॉलम में लिखने का. See here it becomes the column. 1 2 लिखा इधर and 3 4. Second row को किधर लिखा है? Second column में 3 4. That is the transpose of a matrix. That is the transpose. It is called as transpose. If it is a single element, the same element will come. एक ही element है तो there is no change. Only one element will come. Here what is given? कितना rows दिया देखो? 1 2 3 and 4. The numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. The first row should be written in the first column. First column में आया 1 2 here written in first column. The second 3 4 is written in second column, and the third row is written in third column 5 6, and the fourth row is written in fourth column 7 8. And the last example, same method. See here, what is the first row? 1 2 3, that is written in column 4 5 6 here, 7 8 9 here. This is the transpose of a matrix. You have to change the rows into columns. Change the rows into columns. See here, last two types of matrix. First one is symmetric. Symmetric matrix. Last one is skew symmetric matrix. Okay, skew symmetric matrix and symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? See here, this is the diagonal. this is the diagonal of a matrix. The elements above the diagonal and below the diagonal are same. The elements above the diagonal and below the diagonal are same. Then it is called as a symmetric matrix. See the next example. 3, 5, 8 is the diagonal. What are the elements below here? 6, 7, 4. The same elements are here also. 6, 7, 4. Is it right? So, this type of matrices are called as symmetric matrix. Last type say here skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix, how it is? If the diagonal above the diagonal में जो भी नंबर्स है उसका नेगेटिव नीचे आना चाहिए, नहीं तो नीचे नेगेटिव रहेगा तो ऊपर पॉजिटिव, नीचे पॉजिटिव रहेगा तो ऊपर नेगेटिव. सी द एलिमेंट्स बिलो द डायगोनल एंड अबोव द डायगोनल. देखो बिलो द डायगोनल इट इज पॉजिटिव 3, बिलो द डायगोनल इट इज पॉजिटिव 3, अबोव द डायगोनल उसका नेगेटिव, बराबर. बिलो द डायगोनल negative 2, that is minus 2 is here. Above the diagonal it is positive plus 2 है, ठीक है. and 5 इसका नेगेटिव इधर है, 5 का minus 5 है. so if the elements below the element is positive then the above the element will be negative. If the above the elements is positive then below the elements are negative, then it is called as a skew symmetric matrix. Is it clear? Skew symmetric matrix. Today we have started a new lesson, matrices. We have gone through the topics such as what is a matrix, what are the types of matrices, what is the transpose of a matrix, and what is a determinant, what are the types, skew symmetric, symmetric, singular and non-singular. So please go through the definitions. मैट्रिक्स का टाइप्स क्या है देख लो, अच्छे से देखने का. वी विल सॉल्व द एक्सरसाइज इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.